Take your card back and give her hers.
Here. She wants my water!
Nobody knows how a goat wins Uno. Nobody will never know how a goat wins Uno.
So did that McDonald's do to you? Go right through you.
Goes right through you.
You holding onto that draw 4 pretty hard.
Game just started, and I'm already with 3 cards.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm alright.
Stop.
Down to 9.
I don't even know which way it's going.
You see this? Easy win.
Finish your turn.
Easy win. Nobody knows how a goat wins. You gotta be wise.
Wait, what? You already have 2 cards? Yeah.
Nobody knows how a goat wins.
I think she got 2, draw 4.
Gotta be wise.
No.
Yeah, look, your card's right there.
How you even gonna turn you?
Say hi. Told you we was gonna do this cooking video, right?
What's that?
So I told you we was gonna do this cooking video, right?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
Not at all.
I told you we was gonna do a cooking video before. First time we was supposed to cook, but then y'all ordered pizza instead. The day that he was supposed to cook, and I was supposed to do a video with him, cooking video, but then y'all ordered pizza instead. So, got the water boiling. First step.
Well, this right here will be taken anyways. It's just a simple, very, very simple dish that you can just make when you don't have food.
Do we
in the
look
house.
alike? People say we look alike.
I'm trying to explain something about some food.
Yeah, go ahead.
And she's talking about do we look alike. But anyways, this right here is a very, very simple dish you can make at home if you don't have enough food in your house like we don't have right now.
Yeah. You know, the quarantine's going on.
Quarantine's killing me. Look, see this fat guy. Quarantine killing me.
Really, nigga?
This quarantine's gonna do me some good. I'm gonna lose some weight. I'm gonna teach you how to eat a little bit healthy and eat foul at the same time. But it's all gonna be real, real good.
So what should this title? Okay, so basically this title is how to make 5-star meal at home, quarantine style. Cheap. From scratch.
So
Homemade.
we got this water on right now. I'm gonna boil on a little bit.
Say
for
we
those of you who don't know about
High heat.
water, you ain't gotta put on high heat for real. I'm just gonna just
hurry it up.
This is a little bit of vegetable oil I'm putting in the water. Alright, just a little splash. You know, like that. Zooming on that
Oh, but sweetheart. That's splash.
splash. So you can see that splash, gang. See that?
That's black.
Put this splash on my wrist.
What the fuck was that?
Anyways.
No, don't say that.
Anyways. But that's gonna help your noodles from like sticking together, you know, it'll loosen it up a little bit. And if you want, you can add a little bit of pinch of salt.
Yep.
Give it a little bit of flavor to it.
So, you know, I told my cooking teacher that back in 8th grade, right? Like, no, we don't do that.
What, the salt?
Yeah, but she added the oil to the water. Like, we was making fettuccine, I think, or something like that. So, you know me, I'm trying to do extra. I'm trying to tell her, like, rinse the noodles after, like, we done. She said, no, you don't rinse the noodles off.
Oh, wow.
So they was all greasy. My cousin was, this is when me and my cousin was in the same cooking class too. She was like, no, you don't do that. You don't do it. Like, she know how to cook.
Uh-oh, somebody said food.
Uh-oh. That's her favorite spot.
Hiding the cut. Food.
Always hiding. And trying to get into the cards. See that face? That's a poop face. But I'm gonna get back at y'all when this water's boiling, I guess. That's what we're waiting on, the water to boil. Or are you about to start something else? So, I'm gonna turn back on the camera when the water boils. Okay, we're back.
Fast forward to right now. And
What do we have here?
fettuccine noodles.
Fettuccine noodles, boiling.
Break them in half, you know, make it a little easier for people to eat.
Correct way.
Again, I'm going wrong right now, ladies and gentlemen, that I will admit right now, since I am a chef, is that I'm not using any gloves.
Yep.
And it's Corona season.
Yep. You want to let that come to a boil. Be lovely. Come to a boil. No, not funny. Okay.
While that's in there, you know, you always want to make sure you grab some tongs, you know. Tongs. And mix these noodles up some. That way they don't all stick together. You dig?
You dig.
Thank God I couldn't so good before you made that video.
You dig.
Now, while this is cooking,
Dig.
this is how you make this sauce, alright?
And so now we're going to start with our. Wait, so what is this meal called?
It's not called anything.
It's like basically tomato pasta, basically. Healthy. Stay healthy. Stay hydrated with water. Even though I got tea in the cup. But tomato sauce.
This is Pregu. You can use any type of sauce. Pregu, whatever you want to do. Ragu, Legu, Hey who cares?
Who cares? So you want to put the Pregu in there. Whatever sauce you like, whatever sauce your family likes, you use. Don't just copy. And we don't do measurements. We just add to our liking. Don't do 1 cup of this and 3 cups, 3 teaspoons.
This is 4 cups of tomato cream. Okay? No, we don't do that. Alright, we don't do that around here. Sorry.
See, we got two pots. They try to get me a strike on YouTube. See, this noodles is boiling. Why don't you just mix them once in a while?
This is heavy whipping cream. Alright, we're going to pour a little bit of heavy whipping cream into this tomato sauce. Right? Bam.
Just like that.
Wham.
That's
Alright. I know y'all thinking like, oh, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Watch this. Add some butter to this.
So he's getting some butter, guys. Every time we get on me, it's just so dark. Like, hey, not that up. Did you look for? Right here. What you looking for then? Like the liquid?
Nah, about another kind.
Oh, you talking about that one in the container? It's in the back. It's in the back. It's in the back, y'all. I ain't gonna show y'all that. Oh, and he's talking about. You guys want some tips on what type of chicken broth you like? He likes that one better.
A little scoop of that, a little scoop of that.
Just one, like a couple spoons, because it makes me salty.
This base gives you salt. This is like a salt that y'all don't know. It's like salt, alright? But it's chicken salt.
So you really don't need to add salt to this sauce, right?
Well, you can. I mean, if you want to spice it up a little more, you can. If not, you don't really have to. But, you know, if it don't taste salty enough, you can always just add more chicken base to it. And the chicken base will make it more flavory.
It's look good already.
You just want to whip this up a little bit, alright?
Yeah.
Again, this is just a sauce. You're just going to mix it in with your noodles or mix it over top of your noodles. Or mix your noodles in with it or whatever, how you want to eat it, you know, to the bomb.
Get my shot.
Like an orangish color.
Orangish color. So
Whisk that.
we even have a whisk. I don't think we have one. Here. This one
A
is
little bit of oregano in the sauce. into nothing to know your food. Really, yeah, to me it just gives it a color, a nice little green color.
A little decoration.
Yeah.
Tip: if you have like fresh parsley, like that you could cut after you're done with your meal, you could like cut it into a little bit and just like decorate it. Yeah, make it even more 5-star. Just tip. Back to the show.
Okay, add a little bit of onion salt into this.
Got some onion salt here. Look at that. See, you got to make sure your ridges is bubbling, guys. If it ain't bubbling, it ain't drip. 101. Nice.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give it a little spice to it. So, throw a little bit of red pepper flakes.
Red pepper flakes, guys.
There.
Very good. Very good.
Just a little, not a lot.
Because those can get hot, but not really hot.
Yeah, they do get real hot.
Not hotter than cayenne pepper.
Just a little. Garlic salt I'm throwing in it right now.
Okay, so we got the garlic salt.
Onion salt, garlic salt.
So if this video gets like more views than my actual videos, because I usually be getting like 180 something views. If this get more views, that means people like these videos, and I got a good video idea next. We're gonna have a cooking contest, me and you. Yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. You ain't seen my skills yet, my real skills. I've been trained by Parkway. How to dice carrots and onions. Julianne cut style. It's like salt and pepper only. I haven't had tomato soup in a while. Keep checking on your noodles like I keep telling you guys. Don't let it just boil. Make sure you check it once in a while so it won't stick at the bottom. Yeah, just a little bit more. Tastes better. Let's get a taste. Here, you want to taste? Don't take it all, golly. Let me get some. Yeah, that's better. That tastes way better.
Actually, I'm gonna turn that off.
That tastes good, actually. I like that. It tastes good. Like ketchup with no mustard.
What? What the fuck?
Let's have no mustard. The tomato soup, well, I don't know why I keep calling it soup, but the tomato sauce is done. And now we're just waiting on the noodles to get done. And dinner's served, so yeah. Yeah. How you do it? You press what? This way? Right here. There you go. Here. Press it. Yeah, anyways, wish I had a dog. So right now he's mixing the pasta together. Coming to a complete end. Finishing touch. But again, he said you don't have to mix it all together. You could put it on top. It'd be different, but we're just gonna mix it together. But that was all the noodles. It only took up one pan. It just tastes good, but that was good. Uh-oh. You fell? I'm gonna come back when I got my plate and I'm gonna give y'all my reaction. So yeah, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Let's take a good look at that. Yeah, get a good look at that. Here you go, son. Have a little. That's good, right? Okay, so let's take
My noodle was hard. This is gone.
reaction. Let's go. Everybody's saying it's bomb.
It's like a plain of good.
No cap right now. I'll eat this more than spaghetti. This tastes bomb.
Yeah, Yeah, I would too.
I'll eat this more than spaghetti.
So 8.5. I recommend this.
What you can make on a cheap budget quarantine style.
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Yeah. 11.
It's 11 for her. To me, it's a 20 out of 10.
Mine's 9.5. Mine's actually.
What'd you give your meal, sir? That was good. 8? I just see. Can't be doing that. I just said it was a 20 out of 10. An 8.
9.5.
Let's just repeat that. Let's just restart. Okay, so what do you give the meal?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nyny TV. Just call me Nyny, just like everybody else. And yeah, welcome to my life. And
Nobody cares.
he just mad because he don't get no channel.
I have 40 million subscribers.
Yeah, anyways, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications for more banger videos. But yeah, Nyny TV out. Peace.